Okay, I welcome you all once again to the channel. And just today, we would like to explore another wonderful tool under the AI family. This happens to be one of the biggest AI tool that we've all been using, but most of us don't know the power behind ChatGPT. So I'm just going to run us quickly on one of the things we can actually do with ChatGPT, which is very, very awesome. So now I just want to run you through how you can read books in less than 5 minutes, and then you have a whole grasp of what the book contains. Gone are the days where we buy physical books, and then we later move on to be buying ebooks and later audiobooks, but today you can actually have access to 30 books in a day, and you have a comprehensive knowledge of what that is, which can also improve your IQ. So, but just before we do that, I'll need you to do me a favor by clicking on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and then hit the notification bell. This will make this video go viral, and then I'll be encouraged to want to do more. So let's dive into why we're here. So basically for today, I just want to share with you how you can read any book in the world for free. Yes, for free in 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes in some cases. So we'll just go through some of my favorite books, and then we'll both explore it together. In few seconds you're done, and you can take your time to read through, to digest it, because in less than 5 minutes you have a full knowledge of any book, and you can go and talk about it. So you'll be thinking like a AI, a robot, so I think it's magical. So let's go over to the screen now and explore this. So this is my screen. This is the ChatGPT screen. Just go to chat.openai.com and then go to your dashboard, which is here. So I've emptied the dashboard. This is a new chat. It is 100% free. So far you're using the 3.5, as you can see. But if you want to use the the GPT-4, you have to upgrade, and it's about $20 per month. So, but we are not here for that. Let's just deal with the free version, which you can use to solve this problem. So are you a copywriter? Are you a social media marketer? Do you write books? So whatever it is that you do, I think this tool will be of great value to you. We have other tutorials on AI, which you can also check on. As you can see, they are up above there for you to look into. You can read any book for less than 5 minutes. So the first book I'm going to explore is about 94 pages. So just live along with me and let's see how that goes. So let's summarize who moved that cheese, as the name implies, who moved that cheese. So who moved my progress, who moved my success. That was that thing that's like progress, or is like success to you, that's been moved. So that is what the book is all about. But let's go deep, because I'm just telling you based on what I have read several years ago. So let's just go in. Just type summarize the book, who moved my cheese. Okay, so just allow it to load. It's not going to take more than few seconds, about 10-15 seconds, and then you would have the full knowledge of what the book is all about. I'm sure you're seeing it already, so he's already breaking it down for you one by one. I would say that it is magical. So this is a summary of the book, Who Moved My Cheese. He said it's a motivational business fable written by Spencer Johnson. So in case you don't even know who the author is, now you know who the author is. So the cheese at the station begins to dwindle, and it stops coming as regular, while Sniff and Scoffy, so you're already getting to know about the two characters in the mice side. So because the book is all about two mice and two little people, so the two mice, if you read up again, if you go back up here, the story follows four characters: two mice, Sniff and Scurry, and two little people, M and A. So he's already telling you that the whole book is just about four people, and then he's telling you what each the role is going to tell you, the role of each person, of each characters in the book. So if you read further, you will see what Sniff did, what Scurry did, what Hay did, and what M did. How one of them was able to move away from the comfort zone to start looking for another cheese somewhere else, while another one, which is Hale, is still staying in that same location, still waiting for the cheese to come and meet him there. Whereas the cheese has stopped coming. Maybe the cheese giver has gone to another place, and that's how life is. So the book is all about those four characters. So we can go deep dive to see further, because this is not listing some of the things you want. So you can just ask it to give you more. So what are the lessons from the book? So let's look at the lessons from the book. Okay, So impact several key lessons: change, adaptive, embrace change, let's go of fear, monitor and anticipate change, learn from mistakes, stay positive, share lessons, be open to new paths, celebrate success. So you can see it's already breaking it down. So if you want to go for that, you can ask, okay, what is the role of each character 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 in the book? So we want to know the role of each character in the book. So it's going to tell you, because I told you it's all about four characters: Sniff, Scurry, Hem, and Hair. And it's already analyzing what each character played in the book. So you're getting to know in detail what the book is all about. So this is exactly what you need to explore and also to understand more about the book. So I think that is all for the very first book. So we can take our time to look at another book right now. But just before then, I'd like you to just quickly do me this favor to like this channel and also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so that you can receive notifications of new videos coming from this channel. So let's just move to the next one right now. So I'm going to create a new chart so that you can have a fresh page, and then we'll talk about a new book, which is Eat That Frog. So let's look at Eat That Frog. So we'll just ask ChatGPT to summarize another book for us quickly. In less than 5 minutes, you're done again with another book. So kindly summarize the book Eat That Frog. So let's just wait for it to do its own part, and then let's be hopeful we would love it. So you can see it's telling us that this book is being authored by Brian Tracy, and is already giving us 8 key points to take from the book. And what is it? What's it all about? He's telling us to prioritize. He's telling us to set goals, planning and organization, overcoming procrastination, eliminating distraction, continuous learning. The all of the book, when you read from the introduction, you get to see that the main concept of the book is based on a metaphor. So it's not like it's a direct speech you get. So it's eat the frog. You understand why we go and eat the frog? If you want to go for that with this same book, you can go for that. If you're cool with it, you can ask, okay, kindly, okay, summarize for a 12-year-old child. So let's just assume I'm 12 years old. How will it relate that book to me as a 12-year-old? You get, so it's definitely going to be different from speaking to me as an adult, because adults can use complicated words, but for a child, it would want to make it as simple as possible. So we can go for that to look at another book, which is my third favorite book, in terms of the fact that a lot of people are seeing the book to be very, very complicating. So let's look at the 48 Laws of Power. Summarize the book 48 Laws of Power. So this is it. So it's summarizing the book 48 Laws of Power, and it's giving us each one. So he's been able to give us about 8, and it's 48. So you need to tell, and it's done here. So he's trying to summarize. He said, in summary, the 48 Laws of Power offers a collection of tactics and strategies that individuals have used to achieve and maintain power throughout history. So it has given us 8. So why not tell it further that you need the remaining 40? So kindly share the remaining 40 laws in the book. So let's see what we should have next. Okay, so he's so polite, telling you that he can still provide you. Please know that these laws are presented as part of the book's content and are meant to provide insights to power dynamics and all of that. So he's listing the remaining 40 laws because it provided us with the first 8, and I feel it's not complete. So what that means is there's nothing you can tell ChatGPT to do for you. If he's not giving you the way you want it, just adjust your prompt. So it's all about the usage of prompts, which is something I would also be taking on later on. So you now need to go and learn how to use the prompts to get whatever you want to change. The queries, so once you understand how to use prompts, there's nothing you can ask and get from ChatGPT. So he's listing the 40. Let's just wait for it, and then we would say that yes, we are good to go with that. So let's wait and see. So here you have the remaining 40 laws. So basically, this is it about the book called 48 Laws of Power. So if you feel this is a good tool to use, whether you're a copywriter, you are into book writing, you are a social media content creator, whatever it is that you do, I think this is a nice tool for you to explore. Thank you so very much. And I look forward to you subscribing to this channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.